everyone, I am Asha from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. I am here because I love teaching and you can find me at my YouTube channel Asha Hemba. So isometric projections. So we'll be discussing the problem related to isometric projections. It's a square prism base side 40 mm height and 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab, sides 100 mm and 60 mm and thickness 20 mm. Draw the isometric projections of the combination. Here we are having two solids. One is a rectangular slab and the dimensions are equal to 100 by 60 and the height is equal to 20 mm. That is the thickness. Over that, you are going to place a square prism of a side is equal to 40 mm and height is 50 mm. Let's look into the construction. First, you need to draw the rectangular slab of size equal to 100 by 60 mm. So on one side it is 100 mm, on the other side it will be 60 mm. And the thickness is equal to 20 mm. So first draw a square slab of 100 by 60 mm. So from one point towards right 10 boxes. Then towards the left it is 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again you have to construct a rectangle. So on the other side also it is 100 and 60. Complete the rectangular slab. The thickness is equal to 20 mm. So from each of the corner go height 2 boxes. So from each of the corner 1, 2 boxes vertically upward direction. So from all the 4 corners move up by 2 boxes. Then connect all the corners. Connect all the top corners. This completes the rectangular slab of 100 mm, 60 mm and height or the thickness equal to 20 mm. Over this you have to place a square base of side 40 mm. So before placing, centrally you have to place it, get the center 60, that is 30, half will be 30. So draw a line parallel to 30-degree inclination line. Again 100, so midpoint will be 5 boxes. From 5 boxes draw a line parallel to 150-degree line. You get the center of the rectangular slab. Now you have to create a side of 40 mm. So 40 by 2 is 20 mm. So from center 2 boxes, then towards left 2 boxes. So from here 1, 2 boxes, left 1, 2, again count 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again towards your right count 4 boxes along 150-degree line and count 4 boxes along 30-degree line and 20. This completes a square of 40 by 40 mm. Now height is equal to 50 mm. So from each of the corner vertically upward direction count 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again 5 boxes vertically in the upward direction. So from each of the corner point go up vertically by 5 boxes. Then join all the corners. Join all the corners. Now the problem is over. You have placed a square prism over the rectangular slab. Now you have to draw in a visible line. Whichever is visible to you when you are viewing from the front, that should be written in a visible line thickness. So the remaining lines you can keep it in a projection line thickness. So whichever is visible to you, make it use the visible line thickness. Even the line from here till the prism it is visible, again from the other end it is visible. Whatever inside this square prism that will be hidden, that should be the projection line only. Again in the prism, this entire thing will be visible. So make that as a visible line. Okay, this is the completion of the problem. Draw the 30-degree line and show the 30-degree inclination line. Thanks. Education is simply the soul of a society as it passes from one generation to other. G.K. Chesterton. Thank you.